Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to be on Discord and PS5. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To do this, first, press the PS5 button on your controller, navigate to the game base, then choose Discord, choose link account, hit link, then accept and continue. Use your phone to scan the QR code displayed on your PS5. Open the Discord app on your phone. Double tap U to automatically go to user settings. Tap the scan QR code. Tap authorize. Then hit close. Back on your PS5, hit the close button. You can now create or join a voice chat and server of your choice. And that's how you can use Discord while on your PS5. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.